Dead Sunflowers, a video poetry presentation, written, recited, and produced by Ken Allen Dronsfield. All things wild and free, roses amidst bristling briars, honeybees upon canna lilies, kisses in fields of goldenrod, savoring tall root beer floats, empty hummingbird feeders, seeds from dead sunflowers, chickadees call from a spruce, pumpkins like orange skittles, ricks of oak stacked and dry, barn owls an inquisitive stare, kittens chase autumn leaves, a school bus drops happy kids, witches, ghosts, and goblins knock on our doors for treats. Fall is now amongst us.